Agile is a methodology that ensures that you have a clear business owner for a particular piece of work. They work very closely with the project team in an integrated fashion, and they drive the development and delivery.
For this project we used the Agile approach, as it's called, and my role was to be the product owner. So I was the person from the business that was the linking pin. So it was expected from me to make decisions what was priority or what was not, to determine what is in scope or what's not.
I think the core of Agile methodology is trying to deliver more benefits to the business as soon as possible. We're looking for the minimum viable product, so a small piece of delivery which you can then iterate and grow so that you're reducing waste.
From my point of view, it's been a really enjoyable process working with IT. You've got the two groups interacting together, so you've got the business and IT getting the requirements from both sides.
So in terms of delivering real value to the business, what we're doing is we're getting the business together with IT and working through iterations, and that allows greater flexibility. So if you need to adapt or change direction, you're not ending up with a product that's not fit for purpose.
So the app we're using is SAP Work Manager, and the main problem that we're trying to solve is the quality of information in the system. We've got information there, but it's sometimes not easy to get to and not easy to update.
Before we had a fully manual process, which implied we need to print off a purchase order, then walk the purchase order up to the right delegate person, get sign off, archive it, scan it, etc.
Well, one of the key things we're trying to achieve as an IT function is to make sure that the organisation, and in particular the users out in the field, have the right information where they need it. So creating mobile apps puts that information in the palm of their hands essentially.
With the current tasks that they're doing, as in reclosure readings, there's been a reduction in time spent on the task, and we're getting better quality data, and the employees are spending more time doing the actual work rather than desk-based.
I think the efficiency gain is that we cut out parts of the process that were basically redundant, so we don't need to print and scan anymore. So I think if you translate that to efficiency gain, maybe 5% quicker per purchase order on 30,000 purchase orders a year, that's a significant efficiency gain.
To see the blokes using these tools that we've been working with and producing, it's quite gratifying really, because you get feedback from them to say that having this map on here is really good. You know, they can see where the work is, they can plan their work.
So within SA Power Networks we're going through a huge transformation with the changes in regulation and changes in the organisation, and from an IT perspective enabling us to actually develop stuff much more quickly, to enable the organisation to respond to those changes, to put information out into the field, to enable the users to be more efficient, is really where we're going to add the value.
IT are working really hard to become a lot more lean in what we're doing, in the way that we're operating. That streamlining of what we're doing therefore translates into quicker delivery and also cost savings.
I think already in the research outcome it was mentioned that SA Power Networks is one of the most efficient energy distributors in Australia. I think moving forward we need to keep ahead of the others, and moving into mobility will make us even more efficient, more lean, more agile, and really position us very well for the future.